Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Joy Vitamin C Face Wash for a radiant glow. First, ensure your face is clean and free of any makeup or dirt. Next, wet your face thoroughly with lukewarm water. This helps open your pores slightly. Then, dispense just a small, pea-sized amount of the face wash into the palm of your hand, about 1/4 of a teaspoon. This is the perfect amount to start your cleansing routine. Now, gently apply the face wash to your damp face and neck. Using your fingertips, massage the product into your skin with small, upward circular motions. Continue this gentle massage for about 60 seconds, ensuring you cover all areas, especially your T-zone, forehead, and chin. This helps the vitamin C penetrate effectively and gently exfoliates your skin, removing impurities and promoting a fresh complexion. After massaging, it's time to rinse. Use cool water to thoroughly rinse your face, ensuring all traces of the face wash are completely removed. Cool water helps to close your pores and refresh your skin. Once rinsed, gently pat your face dry with a clean, soft towel. Remember to avoid any harsh rubbing, as this can irritate your skin and strip away its natural moisture, keeping it healthy and happy. To maximize the benefits and achieve a truly radiant glow, follow up your cleansing routine with a toner, serum, and moisturizer. For optimal results, incorporate the Joy Vitamin C Face Wash into your daily skincare regimen, using it twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Consistent use helps to brighten your complexion, reduce the appearance of dark spots, and promote an even skin tone over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.